Hi, welcome to my channel. Hope you enjoy everything that we have here. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you for watching. Hi, we're making a sympathy bow today. I'm using 2.5 ribbon. Uh, Black is velvet. It's great for the weather outside. Gather and twist. Fix your ribbon. Always pull your ribbon down. It helps you create a better, works better with the, it helps you work better with the loops. So I'm going to start at, it's a big bow, so I'm going to do 7.5 inches with the loops. I'm going to do 3, 2, 1. I'm going slow for this one so y'all can see. So the same size on the other side. What did I say? 7.5. Make sure you're gathering and twist. A good twist keeps your loop at the size that you want it, and it helps you with the other loops. Okay, so now I'm going down to two loops at 5.5 or 6, I'm sorry. Make sure it's 6. I'm looking down here where the measurement is. So a good twist. Now I'm going to 1 loop on each side. See, I have 2 loops already. I have the 3 loops. So now I'm going to 1, and then I'm going to end it up with a small loop, and I'm going down to, I'm leaving space up here in the loop right here. If you can see, this is the loop, so I'm going to leave space for the next loop. You gather. I know I've been twisting, but you want to gather and twist when you're starting off. It makes it easier, and once you get used to working with the bow maker and bows ribbon, you can go ahead and do the twist. So gather and twist, and this is my last one. So usually this bow is called the blast off bow, the 3, 2, 1 blast off, because you're done. But I'm adding a last loop here to cover the zip tie. This is going to cover the zip tie, and I'm measuring my tail to the 16 inches I said. And so I'm going to add the zip tie. Make sure you're in through all the loops. I use zip ties. You can use zip ties. You can use pipe cleaners. But I like to use zip ties. Keeps the bowl together. So I didn't tighten it all the way. This is how I make it. I'm pulling it out so I can look at if I have everything lined up. You see how this bow maker, when it's tight enough, it'll give you the crease right here that you want to work with. I move the zip tie a little bit over. I'm going to add my pipe cleaner. I'll do another bow with a different color so you can see, because I know it's hard to see the black. But I was making this bow and I wanted to do the tutorial. I was making this bow for someone. Okay. So now I'm working. I'm adding more tightness to the zip tie, but I want to look at my loops. So I'm going to open them up. There's your bow. And here's the bow. Thank you for watching. Hope you like. Let me know what you think in the comments.